In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit distance in Strava. Strava is a fantastic platform for tracking your workouts, but sometimes, the distance recorded may not be entirely accurate. Editing this distance can be essential to ensure your training records are precise and reflect your actual workout experience. To begin, you'll need to log into your Strava account using a computer or the Strava app on your mobile device. This is crucial because some features might not be fully accessible on one platform or the other. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the activity you want to edit. Usually, this would be in your activity feed. If you're using the mobile app, just tap on your Profile tab at the bottom right, then scroll to find your activity. On the desktop, click on your profile picture at the top, and find the activity listed under your recent activities. After locating the activity, click or tap on the activity title to open the detailed view. It's important here to ensure that you are in the activity details page because the editing options are only available there. Once you're on this page, you'll find an option labeled Edit. On the desktop, this is typically a small pencil icon near the title of the workout, while in the app, this might be a straightforward button. Upon selecting the Edit option, you'll see several editable fields covering various details of your workout. Right now, we're focusing on the distance, so look for the field labeled Distance. Carefully enter the correct distance that you want to record. Take your time here, as the figures you input will directly impact your performance records. Double-check for any typos or errors to ensure an accurate adjustment. Once you have entered the new distance, it's time to save your changes. For this, you'll click or tap on the Save or Update button, which is typically located either at the bottom or the top of the edit screen, depending on whether you're using the app or desktop. This action finalizes your edits and saves the adjustments. After saving, it's beneficial to review the edited activity to ensure everything appears correct and as intended. Double-check that the distance is accurately displayed and that any other details you might have unintentionally altered during the editing process are still intact. And there you have it. These simple steps will allow you to manually edit and ensure your workouts on Strava reflect the true distance you've covered. Keeping accurate records not only helps you monitor your progress but also enhances the reliability of your training data over time. Thank you for watching, and happy training with Strava.